Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm using finance data and AI to make work simpler and results clearer. This channel is about turning everyday friction, like messy numbers, manual processes, or too much data and too little time, into systems that work for you. If you're running a business and want a better way to understand your numbers, or you're in finance and want to see how AI is actually being used to work smarter, you'll find practical answers here. With a finance mind and a system lens, I share tools, ideas, and builds that help you skip the chaos and focus on what moves you forward. Clarity in, action out. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for finance, data, and AI content. Thank you.